First, determine the desired rail placement. Snap a line onto the deck to ensure that all posts are aligned properly. Be sure that sufficient mounting structure exists in the areas to receive the posts and install blocking if necessary. Plumb the posts using the shims provided. Secure the posts in place and install a trim ring onto each post. Follow the same procedure for through-bolt applications using the provided mounting plate pre-drill with a 3/8 inch bit. While Avalon post kits include leveling shims, post cap, trim ring, and secondary mounting plate, post-mounting hardware is sold separately. Next, place your pre-assembled Avalon rail panel across your opening, ensuring equal baluster spacing on each end. And mark the rail panel at the post face on all four corners. Measure 1/4 inch from the marks towards the center of the rail panel to allow for bracket clearance, and cut the panel on your marks on all four ends using a carbide tip saw blade of at least 60 teeth. Using the paper bracket mounting template included inside the bracket kit, align the base trim with the appropriate guide on the template. Tape the template into place. Pre-drill through the desired marked locations on the template using a 1/8 inch drill bit. Next, remove template, align brackets with the holes, ensuring that brackets are square, and fasten the brackets in place using the 1.5 inch screws provided. Test fit the rail panel. Once you've established proper fit, press the bottom bracket covers onto the ends of the bottom rail and set your panel into place. Pivot the support foot into place, centered under the rail panel. Secure support foot to the mounting surface using the 1.5 inch screw provided, and press fit support foot cover into place using the plastic plug. Next, measure the length of the rail panel and cut the top rail, sold separately, to the same length. This should match the cuts made previously at the beginning of your installation. Press the top rail end covers onto the top rail and set into place on the top of the rail panel. Press down on the top rail to ensure that it fits snugly onto the panel, and ensure that the top rail end covers are being held in place securely by the mounting bracket. Using the holes in the bracket as a guide, pre-drill two 1/8 inch holes from under the bottom of the rail panel up through the top rail. Next, drive two 1.5 inch screws up through the hole, locking the bracket, panel, and top rail together, being careful not to drill through the top of the top rail. Lastly, install a pyramid post top onto each post. That's all there is to it.